Hello guys, in this video I am going to do Simpsons 1/3 rule. This is also a question which has been asked in the December 2024 question paper, and let's start. Before that, I have done videos on Ghost Jacobi and also regular policy method. Do watch the video. Okay, starting with our question. So I have taken the question from December 2024. So I'll give you the value. So the question being asked is the velocity of a train which starts from the rest is given by the following table. The time being given in minutes from the start and speed in kilometers per hour. And they have given the table. Estimate approximately by Simpsons 1/3 rule the total distance covered in 20 minutes. They are asking in minutes and the speed is given in kilometer per hour. Of course, we know that we need to do the conversion since it is asked in kilometer per hour, and we have to calculate the distance which is covered in 20 minutes. We need to do the conversion. So yeah, the table gives the value. See, this is the time and this is the speed. Okay. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. This is there in the question paper, December 2024 question paper. Speed is 10, 18, 25, 29, 32, 20, 11, 5, 2, 0. Okay, this is our question. So yeah, so according to Simpsons 1/3 rule, the equation is h by 3 into y0 plus yn plus 2 into, right? Yeah, 4 and first 4 into sum of all the odd numbers. So y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus y7 plus y9. I hope I don't miss anything. Plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus y6 plus y8. Yeah, we want to do writing y10 because we have already wrote that in the beginning. Okay, so we have a 10 set of values, and this is our equation for the Simpsons 1/3 rule. So in that we will have a doubt how to find the h. You know, for the questions BCA 05 examination, they can ask whether by giving this numbers or like in a table format by giving the numbers, or they can ask in a integration method. So if they are asking in the integration method, suppose if they are asking in the integration method, this is AB, h is equal to b minus a by n. N is the number of terms. Like n, in this n would be how much terms it will be coming. That is the n. Okay. Yeah. So for this question, our h would be, we will have a straight h which is to calculate h is equal to x2 minus x1 minus x0. Okay, this will be our h. But over here, since we have to cover, since the time is in minutes and the speed is given as kilometer per hour, what we would do is we would calculate as it is equal to 2 by 60, which is equal to 1 by 30. Okay, 1 by 30 hours. Yeah, so we got the answer as 1 by 30. I'm writing this. We will have to plug in our values. So since h we got as 1 by 30, we would be like, here it is h by 3, right? So it will be 1 by 3 into 30. Okay, into, what is our y0? Y0 is, I wrote it. See, it is telling that we should start from rest, right? It is starting from the rest. So our y0 will be, y0 value, the first value will be 0 and 0. Since it is starting from the rest, our y0 will be 0. Okay. So when you look into the question, like you can understand that the question is given us from the starting is 2, 10, 4, 18, 6, 25, 8, 29, like that. But what we would do, we would be taking is, we would be taking our y0 as 0. Our first value is 0 and 0. Okay, so our y0 over here is 0, and as when you check, you can know that our last value is also 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 4 into some of the odd terms. What were the terms? 10 plus 25 plus 32 plus 11 plus 2. Okay, some of the odd terms plus 2 into some of the even terms. 18 plus 29 plus 20 plus 5. Plus 0 is there, which is our last term. I'm not taking that. So this is the sum of the even and odd terms. When you calculate, you will get the answer as 1 by 90 into, this will become 0, and that would be 4 into 80 plus 2 into 72, which would give is equal to 1 by 90 into 4, it goes out 32, 320 plus 144. The answer would be, the final answer is 5.155. This is our final answer. It is actually a very simple one. Please don't lose a mark in this. Read the question carefully and check whether it is the speed, or if it is telling about it is a speed question. Check whether they are starting from the rest or is it a moving vehicle. Okay, and do the question accordingly. Yes.